Hello, Tony from Bikeberry here. This is our final episode of our Build It Right series. Now, I hope you followed along. I hope you appreciate, the depth that I went to try and build a bike from, you place the order, you got it in, you open the boxes, and the good things that happen and the struggles that you may have, right? My goal for the whole series was to show you what my experience was through a build process from start to finish, and then all the things that our awesome community taught me on how to do it better, okay? So that was the whole goal. Now, of course, we got a ton more to learn, but we're gonna customize this. So we're gonna start a new series called the Build It Custom series. We're gonna take this bike and we're gonna make it more aesthetically pleasing, more of a piece of art, okay? Like, this is pretty much, you order it, you put all the stuff on, you do a good job with it, you make it functional, you make it safe, and all that. But we're gonna take it a step further, and I'm gonna teach you on how to take the things that are already here and maybe switch them around a bit, maybe move them a bit. I'm really inspired by architecture, just the turn of the century kind of stuff, old motorcycles, old bicycles, old, just the automotive, that whole industrial age. I'm really inspired by all of that. Aesthetics are a big deal to me. I mean, you could tell by my shop, that stuff's really important to me. I want to show you guys how to do that, because I think it's one thing that's lacking in the, motorized bicycle world, is getting information on how to make good design choices, okay? How do you see, a project in your head before it becomes a reality? When I built my first bike, the black one, it was just a silver Schwinn bicycle, right? And I was like, oh, well, I really like the blacked out thing, so I like painting it flat black. I really like that color scheme of, that kind of like medium brown leather kind of look on it. I didn't want, the CDI to be visible on the frame. I want to kind of hide that stuff. I even changed my kill switch and put in a different button, those kind of things. I flipped the handlebars upside down so it's more board track style. It was all really the same parts. I just flipped it around enough that people went, whoa, that's really different for your first build. So I'm going to help you with that, how to make design choices, how to make good safety choices along with those design choices, how to make things aesthetically pleasing, how to give it a different look. We're going to go deep on all of that. So I'm excited. So again, like, subscribe, comment below. The fun part of this, and I know this has been taking a while, we're going to give it away, but we got to give it a facelift first, right? So you got to get on the list below. You have to really engage with us, because I want to make sure you're learning. It's not just so that, you get a free bike. It's that you learn and then you can build your own just to the next level, because that's what I want to take you to the next level. Okay. And I want to go there too, because there's things that, a lot of these things in this world that I haven't done that I want to learn also. And I'm always wide open ears and eyes. Okay. So like, subscribe, comment below. I'm super excited. Let's go. Come on. Let's do this right. Let's build it custom. That's going to be our new series. I'm going to get all that set up and rolling. And next Friday will be the first Build It Custom video. Take care. Let's roll.